Today is the 14th of May, 2026, and this episode is about midweek shift. A lot of people assume that midweek shift can be very slow. Now, my theory is you can never tell what's going to happen on a day. So if you're not out there working, you cannot earn. Hi, and welcome to Ride Hustle, the channel where we dive right behind the wheel of an Uber driver here in London. If you are new here, welcome. I'm your host, Bola. I'm online. I'm waiting for that first trip of the day, okay? A lot of people assume that midweek shift can be very, very, very slow. And to some extent, I can say yes to that. However, you have to be out there. Otherwise, first job of the day, nah, I don't want that. That's a long one. It's an hour drive, 13 miles, 26 pounds, good. But I don't want to go that far for my first trip of the day. That ping was a long one. It was a 13-mile trip, and the earnings was 26 pounds. An hour, 10 minutes. I turn it down. I don't want to go that far for my first trip. I like to start slow and then move on from there. Okay? You have to be out there because you can never predict what is going to happen. Every day is different. Even every Thursday is not the same. Every Saturday is not the same. I mean, I believe you understand what I'm saying. Okay? So I will take you along on this trip, on this midweek Thursday shift, okay? Stay with me, and I'll be sharing my expenses and earnings at the end of it. Ping number 2, good one. I'm going to go for this one. First trip of the day. First trip of the day, it's a local one. It's 0.5 miles away, and the actual trip was 1.9 miles, £4.73. Let's go there. Let's get it done. KD, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. How are you? All right?
Fine, thank you.
No worries at all. Let's go. Straight on.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, man. Cheers.
Bye.
All right. Have a good afternoon. That's first trip of the day completed and earned £4.73. Moving on to the next one, trip number 2. Let's get it done.
Hi there.
Hello. No share.
Yeah.
Thank you. Go on.
Yeah, it's fine here. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a lovely evening.
And you. Cheers. Bye. That's trip number 2 completed. It was a distance of 10.57 miles. Took me 51 minutes and earned £22.73. Moving on to the next one, trip number 3. Let's get it done. Hello, hi. How are you? Yeah, hear me. Please come in. Thank you. How are you? All right?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Not bad, thank you very well. Let's go.
This is great. Anyway.
Oh, anyway, it's good.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
No worries. This way here. One moment to cut. Okay.
That's all right. I'm gonna get out.
All right, that's better. Thank you very much.
Right.
Cheers. Have a good evening.
Cheers, and you.
That's trip number 3 completed. It was a distance of 5.98 miles. Took me 32 minutes and earned £10.38. Moving on to the next one, trip number 4. Let's get it done. Hello.
put it in the boot, yeah?
Yeah, okay, cool. Let's do that. That's trip number 4 completed. It was a trip of 1.95 miles, took me 5 minutes, and earned £4.75. Moving on to the next one, trip number 5. Let's go there. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Okay.
Same rigmarole again.
That's for John, yeah?
Yeah, John.
Okay, alright, let's go. Alright, we're here finally. Sorry about that. Hold up, it was road work.
It's not your fault.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
You too.
There's a car coming one moment. Yeah. Yeah, you're good to go now. You're good to go. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah, that's it.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you. Good night.
Cheers.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Good night. Wow, 20 quid, man. That's trip number 5 completed. It was a distance of 5.9 miles. Took me 22 minutes and earned £8.97. And guess what? £20 tip. Bingo. That's a squid one. Sweet. Moving on to the next one, trip number 6. Let's get it done.
Hello.
Hi, please come in. Let's see, yeah?
Yeah.
Cheers, bye-bye. That is trip number 6 completed. It was a distance of 12.08 miles. Took me 1 hour, 33 minutes, and earned £37.05. Moving on to the next one. Quick update, guys. So far, I have completed 6 trips and currently on £89.06. Looking at my time, I think I need a break. Yes, a well-deserved one indeed. So I shall see you after the break. After that short break, that well-deserved break, I completed few extra jobs back to back, and currently we are now on £160 or thereabout. Next trip, trip number 14. Let's get it done. Hello. I'm good, thank you. You? All right?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Let's go.
That's
So,
should have just waited, no? So silly of them. And then you're worrying about the space. Okay, thank you.
thank you
Look
very
after
much.
my wife for me, please.
I'll try. Guaranteed.
Not eating outside. What are you waiting for? Pat?
Thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Good night. And you. Good night. Bye. That's trip number 14 completed. It was a distance of 2.45 miles. Took me 8 minutes 55 seconds and earned £6.14. Moving on to the next one, trip number 15. Let's get it done.
Hi, sir.
Mariana,
Thank you so much. It's Mariana, yes.
please come in. Thank you very much. All right. Good night. That's trip number 15 completed. It was a distance of 4.96 miles. Took me 19 minutes and about some few seconds, I think, and earned £13.66. Moving on to the next one, trip number 16, and hopefully the last trip for the night. Let's go.
Hi,
Hello, hi. Yes, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's trip number 16 completed and the last trip for today's shift. It has been a long day and a long evening, but finally I am done. Signing off for the day. Now, here is the last trip was 11.28 miles, took me 36 minutes and earned £18 86 pence. So I'm heading now towards my local charging station to get the car charged and get ready for tomorrow's shift. So let's go and get the car charged. Also, stay tuned for the breakdown. Okay? Stay tuned for the breakdown. Let's go. Well, I'm at my local charging station to get the car charged, ready for tomorrow. Today has been a long day, a long night. In fact, it's been a long shift. I was online for over 12 hours. However, my driving time was just over 8 hours. So can you imagine, if you do the calculations, about 3 hours wasted there. But nonetheless, it's not bad. It could be better. Basically, it could be better. Right. Let's do the numbers. I'm sure you guys can't wait for me to reveal the stacks for the day. So let's get that done now. Right. Okay. Online time, 12 hours, 10 minutes. Driving time, 8 hours, 46 minutes. Trip, 16 trips. EV charge, £19, 20 pence. Tips, 0. Mileage, 105 miles. That is 105 miles. Total earnings for the day, £198, 91 pence. You've just heard the stacks for the day, my breakdown, total breakdown, the expenses and all that. So what do you think? What's your opinion about it? Was it fruitful, do you think, in your opinion? And how was your midweek shift? Let me know in the comments below. So if you are thinking of becoming an Uber driver in London, my referral link is in the description. Feel free to use it. And if you need any assistance or support of any kind, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I want to appreciate every single one of you for supporting the journey. Thank you. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and I shall see you in the next episode.